I'm speaking something far more critical than the curriculum or grades, the kind of citizens we are shaping for tomorrow. The truth is direct and undeniable. Much of what our children learning today will be irrelevant within the next decade. What will never become outdated are the skills they build, the values they internalize, the clarity they develop, and the mindset they carry. These are the foundations will not just decide what our children will do in future, but who they become. And that's the responsibility cannot be postponed. India is going through a massive transition. Even our national policies and union budgets clearly indicate a shift from marks to skills, from degrees to employability, from rote learning to real-world application. Yet our children are still stuck in exam pressure, comparison, confusion, digital distraction, lack of purpose. This is not because they are incapable, it is because they are unguided. And this is exactly where mentorship becomes the missing link in India's education system. India once had most powerful education system built on Shruti Smriti Parampara. Education was not just about learning knowledge, but about building character, discipline, emotional balance, and responsibility. We don't need to go backward. We need to carry that wisdom forward, integrated with the modern skills. That philosophy is the foundation of Magnus Mentorship Program. With over 14 plus years experience in this field and having mentored 25,000 plus students, we can see today's challenges very clearly. Lack of foundation and communication skills, abusive language and aggression, loss of sanskar and emotional stability, lack of confidence, clarity and discipline, fear of failure, career confusions. Students are following crowd trend without having clarity. Parents are under stress, unsure about how to guide their children. Schools are trying their best, but system alone cannot address this step. Students need personal mentorship and counseling. Respected management, principals, educators, and parents. As we know, the age group of 10 to 15 years is the most critical phase in a child's life. This is the age where habits are formed, confidence is built or broken, curiosity is grows or shuts down, and learning pattern is fixed for the life. Magnus Mentorship is not a tuition, it's not a motivation talks, it's a structured long-term development program to build capable students, confident parents, and supported educators. Our mentorship program is thoughtfully designed into 40 sessions for students, 10 sessions for parents, and 4 sessions for teachers. For students, we work on learning how to learn, memory, focus, concentration, culture, legacy, and values, academic clarity and study techniques, confidence, communication and public speaking, leadership and entrepreneurship mindset, discipline, habits, time management, emotional intelligence and self-control, identifying learning disorders and gaps early, AI awareness, video editing, digital literacy, content creation, marketing basics, branding, collaboration, networking, resume building, health, food habits and lifestyle discipline, career clarity and real-world exposure. For parents, we guide them on understanding their child's real needs, reducing pressure and comparison, emotional support and stress handling, happy parenting and home environment, supporting academics without conflict, guiding careers with awareness, not fear. For teachers, we support modern teaching methods, understanding today's child psychology, adopting a changing student needs, improving academic outcomes holistically, working in collaboration with parents and mentors. Magnus Educov, we are not trying to add one more program to the education, we are trying to correct its direction. By bringing Shruti Smriti Parampara and modern skills, we guide the students to think deeply, speak responsibly, act ethically, and lead consciously. If we believe that education should create human leaders, independent thinkers, and responsible creators, then collaborate with us. This is the call for collective leadership.